Hello students, welcome back. This is the continuation of the exercise which is in your book page number 96. Okay. So in the previous video we have done the first 6 questions and these are the remaining 6 questions given in your book only. Okay. So let me give you the short recap on what do we need to do in this exercise. Okay. So in this exercise we need to choose the correct verb to the correct subject. Okay, whether the subject, if the subject is in singular, you need to choose the singular verb only. If the subject is plural, you need to choose the plural verbs only. Clear, children? So they have given the verbs in bracket and you need to choose the suitable verb for the given subject. Okay, here they are talking about here there are three friends. We don't know the first person's name, but the second person name is Parul and Sridhara. Here now Parul and the person who is talking, no, that speaker is talking about their experience in Odisha. Okay, first they have went to Odisha and they came back and they are talking and is sharing his experience only. Okay, so let's continue doing this exercise. Okay, so Parul, 7th one, Parul and I dash in a hill station in Odisha then. பாருலும் நானும் வந்து ஒடிஷாவில் இருக்கிற ஹில் ஸ்டேஷனில் அப்போ இருந்தோம் அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. ஸோ ஹியர் they are talking in the past time action only. Okay, here they are talking in the past time action. So before choosing the verbs, let me tell you the two things what you need to check first. First you need to read out the sentences and you need to check whether this sentence is talking in the present or in the past. If you find the time of the action, then go for the subject. You need to check out the subject whether it is in singular or plural. Clear? Now I have told you that this sentence is talking about the past time event, so we need to choose the past time verb only, that is was, were. Right? Was, were are the past time verb. Here they have given are, is, were only and the subject is Parul and I. That is the two person represent the plural subject only. For the plural subject we need to use were only. So what is the correct answer? Were. Parul and I were in a hill station in Odisha then. நானும் பாருலும் வந்து ஒடிஷாவில் இருக்கிற ஹில் ஸ்டேஷனில் அப்போது இருந்தோம் அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. ஓகே, ஸோ the subjects are plural, that is why we have chosen the past plural verb only, that is were. Clear? Let's go for the 8th one. It dash wonderfully cool in the summer. It dash wonderfully cool in the summer. ஸோ அந்த பிளேஸில் வந்து சம்மர் சீசனில் ரொம்பவே கூலாக இருந்துச்சு அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. ஹியர் அகெயின் they are talking about the past time. So for the past time be form verb will be was, were only. So was will be used for the singular subject and were can be used for the plural subject. Now what do we need to check? Very good. We need to check the subject. If it is in singular we will be writing was. If it is in plural we will be using were only. So in bracket also they have given is, was, were. Is represent present but here it is talking in the past. So we need to choose was or were only. It means it is a singular subject. For the singular subject we need to choose singular verb, that is was. So it was wonderfully cool in the summer. Clear? Okay, let's go for the 9th one. The hill station dash waterfalls and a nature reserve. And the hill station வந்து ரொம்பவே அழகாக இருந்துச்சு. அதில் வந்து ரொம்ப என்ன சொல்கிறது, வாட்டர்ஃபால்ஸ், தட் இஸ் நீரருவி, ரைட், நீரருவி இருந்துச்சு. அண்ட் ஆல்சோ அங்கே வந்து ஒரு அழகான இயற்கையை நம்ம வந்து பார்க்கலாம் அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. ஸோ ஹியர் இட்ஸ் டாக் அபவுட் இன் தி ப்ரெசன்ட் வேல்யூ. ஓகே, தட்ஸ் மீன்ஸ் த ஃபேக்ட் வேல்யூ. ஃபேக்ட்னாலே நம்ம அது ப்ரெசன்ட் டைம் ஈவெண்ட் தான் கன்சிடர் பண்ணுவோம். ஸோ ஹியர் தே ஹேவ் கிவன் ஹேஸ் ஆர் ஹேட். Has is the present time event, can be used for the singular subject. Had is the past time event verb which can be used to any subject. Here I already said this sentence is talking about the present time event. Okay, so we need to check the subject. The subject is the hill station. Hill station means it represents only one hill station. So the answer will be has only. The correct answer is has. H-A-S, has. Clear? So the answer will be looking like the hill station has waterfalls under nature reserve is the correct answer. Clear, children? Okay, let's go for the 10th one. We dash back now. I dash a little tired. Here there are two questions given in the 10th question. Two sentences are given in the 10th question. So let's do one by one. First one, we dash back now. We dash back now. So the word now itself, it represents the present time event. Okay, நாங்க இப்போ வந்துட்டோம் அப்படினாலே என்ன அர்த்தம்? அது வந்து present time தான். அப்போ present time verb தான் யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம். That is am or. இங்க are am was கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. அப்போ நம்ம was யூஸ் பண்ண மாட்டோம். நம்ம is am are ல தான் ஏதாவது ஒன்னு யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம். So நம்ம இப்போ செக் பண்ணணும் வேண்டியது என்னது? Subject தான். So here the subject is we. We means it is the plural subject only. அப்போ plural subject க்கு நம்ம are யூஸ் பண்ணுவோமா இல்ல am யூஸ் பண்ணுவோமா? Very good. We will be using are only. So the correct answer will be are. A-R-E, are. We are back now. நாங்க இப்போ திரும்பி வந்துட்டோம். I dash a little tired. எனக்கு இப்போ வந்து டயர்டா இருக்கு. It is also talks in the present only. For the present time event I, which verb we need to use? Am, are, is. Very good. Am only. For the present time verb to the subject I, we will be using am only. So the answer is am. I am a little tired. எனக்கு இப்போ கொஞ்சம் டயர்டா இருக்கு. நாங்க திரும்பி வந்துட்டோம். எனக்கு இப்போ டயர்டா இருக்கு. அதுதான் correct answer. Okay. So let's go for the 11th. Parul ask what time dash it. Parul வந்து கேக்குறா இப்போ என்ன டைம் அப்படினு எங்க கேக்குறாங்க அப்படினு தான் சொல்றாங்க. சோ இப்போ என்ன டைம் அப்படினு கேக்கும்போது நமக்கு புரியுது. That's they are talking in the present time only. Okay, present time பத்தி தான் பேசுறாங்க. அப்போ present time னா நம்ம is, am, are இது மூணுமே யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம். சோ அப்பனா நாம இப்போ first என்ன செக் பண்ணனும்? We need to check the subject. Here the subject is time, about the time. Okay, it. See, you can see it also, right? Time represent to the singular only, right? Time நாலே அது singular தான். So singular subject க்கு நாம என்ன யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம்? Is தான் யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம். Am can be used only to the subject I only. So the correct answer is. Parul asked what time is it? Okay, so I hope you are clear with 11th one. Let's go for the last. That is I dash already asleep then நான் வந்து அதுக்கு முன்னாடியே நான் வந்து actually நான் வந்து தூங்கிட்டேன். கேக்கும்போதே நான் தூங்கிட்டேன். Here also they are talking. He is telling in present only. In the way of present, which present verb we need to use? Is, was, am. Here was is the past time verb. Is the present and also am is the present time verb. Here the subject is I. I represent the singular subject. Is so நம்ம singular க்கு யூஸ் பண்ணலாம், am singular க்கு யூஸ் பண்ணலாம். But only am can be used to the subject I in the present. So the correct answer is am only. So the answer is am. I am already asleep then is the correct answer. So children, we have completed remaining 6 questions. So keep in your mind. So in the subject verb agreement, it means that if the subject is in singular, the verb also agreed to come in singular. If the subject is in plural, the verb also agreed to come in plural only. So this was the agreement between the subject and the verb. Okay, and here we have learned only the be form verb and have family verb only. In the be form verb, we have used that is, am, are, was, were. Here is, am, are. These three are the present time verb. Was, were are the past time verb. Before filling the blanks, you need to check whether the sentence is talking about in the present time or past time. If it is in present, means you can use is, am, are. In is, am, are, is can be used to singular subject. Am can be used only to the subject I. are can be used to the plural subject. And if the sentence is talking in the past time event means in the be family verb you need to use was or were. Here was can be used to the singular subject and where can be used to the plural subject. These are the introduction and some clue about the be form verb only. What about have family verb, that is have, has, had. Have can be used to the plural subject and also to the subject I in the present. Have and has are the present time verb. Here have can be used to the subject I, okay, to the subject I and also to the plural subject, and has can be used to the singular subjects which are in the present time. Okay, have and has are the present type and had is the past time verb which can be used to any subject. So I hope you are clear with this exercise, children. I already told you to do this exercise by yourself. Check out the answer with this video and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.